In this video, I'm going to show you how to install RStudio. So first we go to the RStudio website, the address here, and then we're going to click on download. We'll download the RStudio IDE, choose our version, and we want the free version, which is the RStudio desktop. So go here. Depending on what kind of computer you have, you'll have a different download, and the different types are here. I have a Windows machine, so I'm going to install or download the files for Windows. I'm going to put it into the Program Files folder and call it RStudio. Now it's complete, so I'll click Finish. I'm going to click on the app. And then RStudio opens. So now I've successfully installed RStudio on my machine.